நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
For me, food is God. The Gandhiji mentioned this. You can find the divine God in bread. So when he provides food to thousands and thousands of people, there is a divinity in Professor Peter. Very recently, the Encyclopedia Britannica, this is considered the most authentic treasure house of knowledge in the world. If you quote Encyclopedia Britannica told like this is accepted in letter and spirit all over the world. This Encyclopedia Britannica carries his review, recent Encyclopedia Britannica carries his review on a book which he compiled and which Kirti Singh sir and myself were rather fortunate to be associated with that, called the Compendium on Noni Research. It appears in the Encyclopedia Britannica. Professor Peter is the chief of this wellness movement. The essence of wellness, as indicated by Professor Peter, is be free from fear, be free from egoism, be free from jealousy. This fear, egoism, and jealousy are basic characteristics of people in the developing and least developing countries. Free from all these, free from fear, free from egoism, and free from jealousy. Now this, how you can do that? We are so fortunate in India, we have basic tools, our Bhagavad Gita, then of course Bible, Quran, Granth Sahib, the Tibetan wisdom, the Chinese Qi, the Charaka Samhita, Sasruta Samhita, wisdom of Shankaracharya, Swami Vivekananda, Thiruvallavur, and of course our Gandhiji. Now from all these, the crux, the abstract of it is, I will read, and that is actually the message of love, peace, and harmony movement, and which is going to be the main aspect of discussion in coming 2 days. The first is this: you have the power to heal yourself. You have the power to be free from fear. You can heal yourself. You have the power to heal others. You heal others. And you and others have the power to heal all the people in the neighborhood, in the state, in the country, in the community, in the continent, in the planet, in the galaxy, in the mega galaxy, in the universe, and in the mega universe. Healing from fear, greed, jealousy, egoism, negative thoughts. You would have seen the confidence in which Professor P.A. Peter addressed you. And that confidence is actually from this freedom from negative thoughts. Absolutely no negative thoughts. Everything is possible. There is nothing impossible. Everything, whatever you say, everything is possible. So that is what it is, freedom from negative thoughts. All these lead us away from illness, away from diseases, and take us so near to wellness. Let the 5th World Wellness Congress, organized by the Divine Noni Family Wellness Service, bless you all in abundance, happiness, prosperity, and then feed you with empowerment, with good health, and of course with good nutrition. And in fact, these were the key words which is used for our Noni Search conferences for the last 5 years. On behalf of the World Noni Research Foundation, I wish you wellness, happiness, and good health. Thank you.
I feel very much honored and privileged to be with all of you. If we observe the present world scenario, the intelligent being on the earth, that is the human being, is cutting the trees and writing on the papers. So he who is cutting more trees is said to be more intelligent for his vested interest. He who is building a lot of hospitals, making